Good morning everyone! Have a blessed Sunday. I know nagtataka kayo bakit wala kaming upload. To be honest with you, na-hospital ako due to stomach infection. Overnight din kami doon. So nagpahinga muna kami at kaya nag-iingat na ako sa mga kinakain ko. Vitamins ko nga pala every morning, apple cider, which is good in metabolism and helping reduce blood sugar levels and aid weight loss. So, breakfast ko today is cornflakes with chia seed and lactomilk with honey. Kain muna tayo. At this time, nakikinig ako ng Hillsongs dahil hindi kami every Sunday nakakapagsimba. After kong kumain, pinrepare ko na pala yung homemade ginger lemon tea. Turnuhan na din natin ng muffin. Ginger lemon tea can help boost your immune system, reduce the risk of certain cancers, promote heart health, alleviate nausea, and vomiting, improve brain function, reduce pain and inflammation, and manage